Yo everyone, the last time I found the only working Chamet application who allowed you to generate unlimited diamonds. As you can see, I've already installed the Chamet and this amazing application allowed you to generate unlimited diamonds, and this working in 2023 for Android and iOS. All you have to do, you must enter amount of diamonds as you want. As you can see, I entered this number because why not? Okay, and the last step is press button generate, and as you can see, everything is already generated. So we wait to finish this process and we see what happened. And okay, application is already open our account, so check our balance and boom, as you can see, wow, this is amazing and cool trick. As you can see, my balance have already unlimited diamonds absolutely for free. But where to get this application? I download from this website, Zeno app, as you can see. So to get Chamet application, you must open browsers and go to this website, as you can see, the Zeno app. Okay, after scroll down or type this, the Chamet. Okay, this is here. All you have to do, we must press button install, and as you can see, everything is already downloaded and installed, but you wait to finish this process. The last step is human verification. Follow all instructions after complete this verification. Chamet will be installed in your device. It's easy and free, this verification. Thank you for watching.